I really fell in love with this glass. Like, yeah, so we got 4 of them. Like 1, 2, 3, and then 4. Like, the reason as to why we got this one, we felt like we needed to do some changes here, and we actually. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Sorry, let me just reduce. I don't want copyright claims. Sorry about that. I was reducing the volume because yeah, I'm on a very loud music. So guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Elite, and kama kawaida, I always try to bring you the best. And so today we are going to unpack my shopping. Yes, yesterday I went for shopping and I was extremely tired, so I did. Like, yeah, I'm extremely tired. Trust me, I'm extremely tired. To unpack them, so I'm going to do them today morning. Don't mind Liam and Tiana's bed. They always wake up, and that is how they always leave the bed. So we are also going to like make their bed. That is Liam's bed at the top, and then there is Tiana's bed actually down below. Yeah, like, okay, so and my seat is actually not arranged, so let's do the unpacking first, and then we'll do the rest later on. And by the way guys, today, sorry, I'm tired like holding the phone. So today, this is actually what happened. I actually saw a post on Facebook that said that if you are in your 20s, okay, let's say 25 to 39, you are supposed to be looking for a place where you're going to stay with the kids and avoid the rental houses, because some years later you'll be you will be ashamed. You'll be ashamed knocking yourselves at the corridor doors of the rental houses. So that is a challenge that actually I never thought about, but right now it's kind of hitting me so hard. Yeah, it's kind of hitting me so hard. So like, yeah, like so hard. Okay, let's do the unpacking, and then we will talk about it later on in the video, definitely. So guys, I have 2 bags. This one is my shopping bag, the essential one. So what I do, I don't buy sugar, like packed sugar. So this one is sugar. I always go the Pima for me, and then I just put it here. I noticed that it's cheaper compared to like buying the one that is packed. So this one is my sugar. I'm going to refill it, and then this one is my 10 kg rice. And guys, by the way, this rice is amazing. We cooked yesterday and it was so sweet. Like, if you guys can see, I don't know if you can see, like, I'm actually trying to show you. Yeah, you see, like, it's so beautiful. So this one is my 10 kg rice. I'm also going to fill it, yes, like that. And then magic, that is what I use for disinfectant. I always use this soap Jama, but someone told me to try classic. I've never tried, but I don't feel like it's a good one, because if you feel the texture of Jama and classic, okay, you just try it. And then I love this one, Freshie, also. So yes. And then gentle care, yum. And then my juice, and then pride, and then my chapati, and then get chapati, and then soap, and then this one here. So that is it for today. And then okay, so these ones are the essential, the Lucas need. And then let's come here. I have fruits. This one is melon. And then I have these mangoes. And then I have these ones here. And then I have pawpaw. And then this one is from the market in Itwanini. Mango special. the Ndengu special. I also bought what we call mahindi, so that I can boil them today. And then this one is lentils, and then kitunguu, and then nyanya, and then maharagwe. These ones are for like 2 weeks. Then we top up again. So that's it for today. I had to clean the fridge because I'm meal prepping, so that the meals that I'm preparing, I can place them in a clean fridge so that I don't have to clean the fridge after like And another thing I noticed is my cooker was really dirty, so like I had also to do some cleaning in there, like just to make sure that I'm warming my food in a very clean microwave. Guys, what do you use to wash your nyanyas and veggies? For me, I only use water and sometimes vinegar. But most of the time I only use water. I don't wash my peas. I always like preserve them even venye imekongolewa. So what I always do, I always look for packaging papers. And for me, I always use these, what do we call, nema papers that were burned. Yeah, to preserve them on the fridge. And then if I want to cook, I'll just remove kidogo kidogo. That is for peas. And then when it comes to the maize that you sing, there I always like cook plain just like that, boil them, and then I preserve them also. So if I want to mix peas and mahindi, what I do is chota kidogo kidogo. If you see, I always pack peas differently. The reason why I do that, it's because
that's what I'm talking about.
When I want to cook, I don't have to
in those papers and then
what do you
put
call
them on the fridge
to think of how I'm going to divide them. It's already divided. Yeah, that is me. So this is how I actually place them on the fridge, just like that. For me it's simple. Yeah, put them on the freezer, and then when I want to cook, I just remove them and then boil kidogo, or just cook them straight from the fridge. Yeah. Woo! It's another beautiful day, my people, and we actually came from church. And okay, sorry, my top is actually misbehaving. So it's another beautiful day, my people. We are from church, and then what did you do? We actually went for some little shopping. And by the way, you guys, things are super expensive out there. Like afadhali, I don't know, but yeah, things are so expensive. So what we did, we actually decided to go out, buy some things. We realized that hii tabia ya watu kukujanga kwa nyumba and then wanachukua food, wanabeba food na those things, tulijipata like tuko na less things zenye zinahitajika kwa kutumika kwa your fridge. So what we did is we actually went out and looked for things, and apparently like because we were on a budget, we had to look for things zenye to satisfy at that moment. So what we did, we got ourselves some things. And then sometimes impulse buying is really bad, because tulianza kwenda window shopping and then we noticed that there are some things we also needed in the house, and we actually bought some of them apart from the shopping you guys saw so at the beginning of the video, because this is another day definitely. So guys, we are going actually to what do you call to unbox. Yeah, though the box is already unboxed, so we are going like to show you what we bought today. It's all about buying and like stocking the house. Okay, so let's do it. We got ourselves a knife, and imagine this knife is 199, like it's 200 precisely. So yeah, this one is our receipt. Yeah, like hizi vitu kidogo, the amount, you guys, the amount inakuja na hizi vitu kidogo. Jesus Christ. Yeah, so okay, before that we got these mats. They were going at 999 shillings. We got 4 of them, like 1, 2, 3, and then 4. Like the reason as to why we got this one, we felt like we needed to do some changes here, and we actually felt like it's kind of popping. It doesn't need like for us to decorate or something. So that is it. And then we got this one, 3 of them. Were they 3? No, they were 4. We got them 4 of them. And by the way, 4 of them. 1, 2, 2, 3, 4. So these ones are 4.
There you go.
The reason as to why I bought these were the things zenye zilitupeleka HTS just to go buy these tins for food. Like we realized that we are short of storage items zenye nafaa tuweke chakula kwa nini. So we bought one big one because I have mahindi and it's boiled that nahitaji kuweka kwa one thing, and I thought that this big one will just do as much. Like guys, ukikuja alafu nikuwekee food kwa easy tin, kindly return them. Like yeah, like I think tumepatiana like 4 of them. Yeah, 4 of them, and that is why you see we went for 4, because we knew we were missing 4. And so we went for cheaper one. This one went for 60 bob, and then this one was for 134 shillings. And then yeah, this one is not mine. Mwenye jewel, like I always use this one here. Yeah, so and then today morning Liam and Tiana were like blue band kwa nyumba. I hardly buy blue band myself, like yeah, I hardly buy, but because they requested in the morning, so I felt like why not get one for them. And then we have this Hanan tissue, like yeah, Hanan tissue. It was on offer, not in serviette, sorry. It was on offer, like I don't know, I don't remember, but I know it was on offer. So was what? Okay, then you know what? Sometimes you just go buy things and then you didn't plan for them, and then you just find yourself buying. I really fell in love with this glass. Like yeah, so I decided like I'm going to get 2. Yeah, 2 because in our house we are always 2. And then mtu atakayekuja mgeni anaweza kapata the other glasses, but this one were a must. They went for they went for 134 shillings. Oh my god. I didn't see this coming. I didn't pick this one here. He did it. He picked it. I don't know why, but he's the one who likes cooking, so probably anajua the reason. Me, if I was to pick, I would have picked the one that is sliced both sides. But this one is pretty strong. So yeah, we got these glasses too for the family. Yeah, they are so cute. Like guys, see? They are so cute. Yeah. So this one is for this one here. I know my family very well. I have another one that I always add milk. So when the milk is not there, we always use this one here. So yes, we bought Famila for us, and then Vaseline top up. And then for me, I decided that I'm going to try this lotion here. So I hope it doesn't fail me terribly. And then we bought this one because nyanya nowadays imekuwa too expensive, so we bought this one. And actually, guys, I don't know, have you ever tried this one for refilling? Like, yeah, tell me if you've ever tried. If it's good, we can actually not throw this thing and then just refill. I didn't know that we have tomato paste that can be refilled. So let me know if you guys have actually tried your refill. If you have, is it good? And if it's good, can it be refilled here? Yeah. Yes. So I'll have coconut milk for my stew any day, anytime. So like, yeah, and then tomato paste. Yeah, this one always lasts us a month. Sindio? A month, and sometimes even in a pita kidogo. So that is it. And then we have this Hanan tissue. Who doesn't like Hanan? Like, yes, these are what I always use. We always use Hanan. Hanan. I don't know, but there's something about Hanan. And guess what, guys? Kitias were on offer ya this one. You just buy 10 plus 2 rolls, that is 12, and it goes for 400 shillings. Like, you can imagine. Like, and these are the tissues then you can buy if you like the pure white tissue. If you're going to buy them, like utapata ni 530 something shillings, and this one ilikuwa kwa offer. I always use Hanan, whether it's on offer or not. So today I felt like, yeah, they did me justice. Yeah, and that is it. We are done. We are done unboxing. So, what do you think? Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Let's do the cooking because, yeah, we will definitely have to cook tonight with you guys. Bye.